We study factors which are problems और जो प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं पढ़ाई में। पहला, can't remember, able to understand but can't apply, studied, remember, forgotten. This can be listed with the first. Let us take example of वोल्कर साइकोलॉजी। मैंने आपको बता दिया कि वोल्कर साइकोलॉजी was studied by William Wundt. It uses higher cognitive function. It uses qualitative data. And uses, it is a byproduct of cultural and languages. So we will deal with the first one, can't remember. तो अब ये आपको ये याद ही नहीं कि वो उनका साइकोलॉजी था, it was studied by this or this. That is, for example, if you are trying to recall this and one of the point is missing. There are 4 points. Point number 1, 2, 3 and 4. What happens when you will watch this video, you will remember this, that it is very easy to understand, but you will not recall it because you have not tried to recall this video. Now let's see how can we remember things. Take the blank page like this and we will type Volcker psychology. Okay, now we'll try to mimic the same thing that it was given by William Wundt. It was using higher cognitive function. It uses, now we will problem with that, it's qualitative beta or quantitative beta. Now let's thought of a situation in which we can remember that was qualitative data. Third was cultural. Okay. Now the problem is that we are not able to understand but can't apply. Many people say that we are able to understand but can't apply the situation into other things. Why this happens? Here one data is missing, language. Okay, now let's understand problem number 2. It is because that you have not understood that what is the meaning of higher cognitive function and how it is applicable in this format. What is the use of qualitative data and quantitative data? You have no idea about differences between qualitative and quantitative data. Okay, we have not remembered, I have not taught you that what is cultural and language, how these are used. Now for suppose if you understand how cultural and language affects the whole psychology and how it's associated with it, you can remember it properly. Problem number 3, study, remember and forgotten. Okay, then now listen why you study, remember and forgot. Problem number 4. Now here comes the problem number 3, that we have studied. I know what is the meaning of high cognitive functions. I know the difference between qualitative and quantitative data. Qualitative data uses just more than numbers and quantitative data use of numbers. But still I forgot. It is because missing of repetitive revision. You need to go through this information over multiple times in order to remember it and move this data into long-term memory. So how can this be? First, active recall. जिसका मेथड क्या होगा? You will take a white page and you will try to point down the things in a similar manner, and you will leave this page for the next second revision. Second, you will try to understand each words individually. You will try to understand each of the words written in this page individually. Third, you will mark your revision here on the second column, which the pages will left. Revision marker, and then you will start highlighting the things which you have read. For example, we have made this revision and we have left the language part. We will revise this. We will highlight this for the next revision. In 3 to 4 revisions, we will remember and recall this whole thing.